I have some breaking crypto news for you. If you hold any cryptocurrency, stick around to the end of this very short video. I promise you, you will be happy. Now, check this out. So Bitcoin today broke a new high of, guess what? $24,000. This is absolutely insane. The altcoins have been moving up as well, like Solana. This coin is looking good. Dogecoin is looking good. Shiba Inu is looking good. Litecoin is going absolutely bananas. This market is about to go insane and blow up bigger than you could possibly imagine. But I do have to warn you all right now in this video that February 1st or sometime around February 1st, it's a possibility, it might not happen, is that we could see a significant correction in the crypto and stock market, which are pretty much one and the same. They move together. So I'm going to tell you about this. I'm going to tell you about my thoughts on the current market and what is going on. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss the time-sensitive videos that will make you money in crypto. So here we have it. A market strategist warns of blood on February 1st ahead of the Fed meeting. So what we are expecting, not only this analyst, but as I mentioned in my previous video yesterday, which I highly recommend you watch, it's super short, is that February 1st is when the Fed is going to be announcing their new interest rate hike. They're also going to be releasing a statement. They're going to be talking about the markets and much more. Every single Fed meeting we've had, for the most part, that I can remember for the last 6 months or so, has crashed the crypto market. So there is going to be a lot of volatility between now and Wednesday and days after, which the market will take time to adjust and to digest information that comes out. So there could be bearish information that comes out and the market might not crash 2 or 3 days after that bearish news. So understand that can happen. It takes time for markets to react and adjust to data and information. The Fed is likely to crash the markets because the Fed, despite the information that's coming out showing CPI and inflation is coming down very fast, the Fed has to continue to remain firm with their hawkish stance that they're going to continue to aggressively get inflation to their 2% target, which they can accomplish by raising interest rates, which kills the stock market, kills the crypto market, it kills everything, it pushes everything down. And that means it's pushing inflation down, which is effectually going to be good for the markets and what the Fed exactly wants. But let me get into the crypto charts right now. Let me show you my current thoughts in the market, where we are most likely going to go. So if we go over to the crypto charts, we can see that we have spiked again today, and everything is following Bitcoin around. It's basically Bitcoin season. Bitcoin is continuing to break new highs, but we are at a major resistance level. But the last time we actually broke this resistance level and closed above this level was in 2020 in December. And guess what happened when we broke this resistance level? We started a massive bull market, which the price was around 23,000. We immediately shot up to $42,000. It did not happen in one instant, but it took a period of about 2 weeks. So we could be seeing a similar move to $40,000 very, very soon. Guess what? It can happen. It might happen. Who knows what's going to happen? Nobody knows. But the altcoin market is still looking strong as well. Not as strong as Bitcoin, but everything is still very, very bullish. But again, we are at a resistance level, a major resistance level. The last time we actually came here, we did get rejected and crashed because of the FTX crash, which was artificial. So if it wasn't for the FTX crash, we would have actually been way higher than where we are currently right now. But we are at a major resistance level, and what happens when we get to resistance levels, or what happens when we pump, we usually get a pullback or correction. And a pullback or correction is going to be very likely with such great information, because the Fed is going to be this Wednesday. People are going to be taking their profits. People like myself and my people on my Patreon group who have been making a killing every single week since this bull market has started, even in the bear markets we're making killings, has made so much money. So people need to take profits and wait for things to potentially crash, which can happen at any moment. Remember, the crypto market can crash and also pump at any moment that you least expect. So I feel like a correction would be completely normal, completely healthy. But if we continue to pump, despite what the Fed says, that's also a possibility. It's also a scenario which could happen because the markets already understand what the Fed is going to say. The markets already understand what the Fed is going to do and how much they are going to raise interest rates. So make sure you join the Patreon so you can follow all of my exact trades, and make sure you are using the Algo Sniper trading indicator. It tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell. Look at this for Bitcoin, and it works for every single cryptocurrencies. Before Bitcoin crashed or took this little dip after its pump, we got a sell signal, and it happens for every cryptocurrency. Look at this Solana. Guess what happened? Before this very pump, we got a very buy signal, and guess what? Not much longer, you get a huge pump. 10%, you would have made 10% by just following these signals on Algo Sniper, which you can try for free over at algosniper.com. All the links for everything I mentioned are in the video description. And also, if you're trading cryptocurrency, you can trade cryptocurrencies for free securely over on Bybit and also claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. All you have to do is open up an account using the link in my video description and deposit any amount of cryptocurrency for the very first time. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. Now, if you got at least one thing out of this video that made sense, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe with notifications on.